Hello and welcome to Yasaj TV. Today this is a different video. So today I'm starting new chapter in my life, which is 3D printing. So I got myself a brand new Creality Ender 5 Pro 3D printer. We're gonna be doing unboxing today. If you are like me, first time in 3D printing and you want to know that what 3D printing is, I'm like this, and I'm gonna be starting from the beginning now. So from very basic, very first. So if you follow my channel, this video, next video, and all the videos of this series, if you want to know what 3D printing is, we're gonna learn together about 3D printing, how to start, where to begin. Stay tuned. So we're gonna do, this is just an unboxing video. So we're gonna unbox this package. So 3D printers, mostly if you buy as a kit, if you buy in a whole, like already built 3D printers, like full package, like you buy Canon, normal Canon or a HP printer, they're already built. You just unbox, you put the cartridge in, and you're ready to go. Install driver, ready to go. In 3D printing world, if you buy already built 3D printer, they are twice the price. So the other way is to buy as a kit. So this is a complete kit, as you can see. So this is going to be the final view of the printer. But right now this printer will be in parts. These pillars will be separated, the top frame will be separated, base will be separated. So in 3D printers you can print your own objects, your own creation. There is a software like similar to, in layman terms, paintbrush. So similar to that, there is another, of course there are different, not paintbrush itself literally, but similar to that, there are softwares you can install in a computer and you can draw and create objects. And there's a big world, 3D printing world, we're gonna explore together. So I'm new to it too. So you can draw that, you can create those things, and you can print. So instead of coming out on a normal printer on the page is a photo, in 3D printers you can print that object in a three-dimensional actual reality. So it depends how you print it. If you put plastic in the printer as just similar to a normal printer, we put ink, black ink, it's gonna print black printout. If you put color ink cartridge in the normal printer, it's gonna print color printout. So similar to that concept, if you put plastic, it will print that object in the plastic. If you put rubberized material, it will print that object in the rubberized material. We're gonna learn together. So this is an opportunity for those who also, like me, want to learn how to dip into this world. So let's start with the unboxing. By the way, when I ordered this printer kit, I also ordered some plastic material. Like I said before, like a normal printer ink cartridge. In 3D printers you need big roll of cartridges which have plastic material or whatever material you want to print with. So you need some kind of cutting tool. First of all, I'll tell you how big the box will be if you order exactly same printer. So it will be 22-inch width, almost 21.5 length, and the depth will be about 10-inch. So 22, 21, 10 will be the size, just for your knowledge if you're wondering how big the box will be. Wow, looks like nicely packed. So first thing first, you get two booklets, after sales service card, and a printer guidebook. So this book will be really helpful in building the printer. These are also available online. The thing about this company's printers, Creality Ender brand, there are tons of material available online. Especially YouTube videos are really helpful in how to build this printer, because we ordered it as in form of kit. So everything is separate. So by the way, you require a good amount of space, just for your knowledge. So make sure you have a plenty of space around you so you can put the parts separately, spread them around. So I think this is an LCD screen. Start from here, LCD screen. This one is to be honest, I'm also new. I'm learning along in this process too. So I think if I'm wrong, don't get mad in the comments section. I think this is called extruder. So this is the nozzle where the plastic material gonna go through, and then you and this gonna shoot it towards the head, which is called nozzle. So we got two parts out of this first layer. Make sure you check thoroughly if there is anything else. They try to stick things in between. So the second layer has, I don't want to touch the pillars, because that's where the plate will be traveling up and down, and it's slightly greased, so I don't want to ruin the grease. So this is the motor which is gonna bring the plate up and down. The plate, when I say plate, it means the platform where the 3D object will be printed. So we got this as well. So we got three parts up until now. So this is the platform I was talking about. So that's called bed, 3D printer bed. So that's where the object will be printed. We're gonna learn together. And now, so far we got 1, 2, 3, 4 big parts. Now I believe we have, this part is the biggest part so far. The fifth part, I think this is the top of the printer, the roof of the printer. So there are motors all around. This part also have head and nozzle where the printer material gonna come out. So don't worry about it, we're gonna learn together. I'm in this with you. So make sure when you place these items, like this item is very sensitive, there's a nozzle with like a nib of the pen. So I'm using this sheet to place it on so it doesn't get damaged. Make sure you check the trick is when you order anything is in form of kit, make sure there's nothing else left. See, because they stick stuff everywhere and they nicely pack it. So I guess these are the beams, like in the printer we have to create a cube type thing. So these are the 4 beams, 4 pillars. This box should have all the tools required, so they are also provided by manufacturer. There's all the tools like Allen keys, screws, nut bolts, power cable on this side, and they give you some testing, for testing purposes, small roll of material. This is the material, this is like ink cartridge for normal printer, and for 3D printers we use these. And now we're gonna, I guess this is the final part, which is the bed, not the bed, they call it the base of the 3D printer, the flooring. This part is also really important, because this bit of the part has motherboard inside, system board inside, power button, power cable will go here, and all the wirings coming out. So this is like a CPU, central processing unit. This is the base of the printer. I'm running out of space. So that's out. Now again, finally check everything, if anything else is there in the corner or anywhere. No, that's it. Close-up shots. So now if we count the part, it's not looking that difficult, but we're gonna dig into it together. So if you minus that, that's my head. So we have one LCD extruder, the lifting pillars, the bed, the roof, the base and CPU, and tools, and some free cartridge. That's it. It's not looking that bad. Most of the parts are already assembled. So next video will be assembling and building. So if you like to follow this, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.